Tired of squeaky, sticky doors? Do your doors sag or scrape the floor? Don't worry, replacing door hinges is easier than you think. This simple DIY project can save you money and give your home a fresh look. With a little time and the right tools, you can have your doors swinging smoothly in no time. This guide will walk you through each step, offering tips and tricks to make the process a breeze. So, let's grab our tools and get started on this rewarding home improvement project. Before you begin, gather your tools and materials. Having everything on hand will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Tools: screwdriver, Phillips or flathead depending on your hinge screws, hammer, optional, for tapping out stubborn hinge pins, pencil or marker, tape measure, optional, level, optional, safety glasses. Materials: new door hinges, make sure they match the size and style of your old hinges, wood shims, optional for leveling the door, screws, if your new hinges don't come with screws. Now that you have your tools and materials ready, let's dive into the hinge replacement process. This task might seem daunting at first, but with a little patience and the right approach, you'll have your door swinging smoothly in no time. Step 1. Assess your existing hinges. Take a close look at your old hinges. Examine their condition, noting any rust, wear, or damage. This will help you understand what needs to be replaced and ensure you get the right parts. Note their size, style, and screw type. Measure the dimensions accurately, including the length, width, and thickness of the hinge leaves. This information is crucial when selecting new hinges that will fit perfectly. This will help you choose the right replacements. When you're at the hardware store, compare your notes with the available options to find the best match. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance if you're unsure. Step 2. Support the door. Use a wedge or a helper to support the door while you remove the old hinges. This step is essential to prevent the door from shifting or falling, which could cause damage or injury. This will prevent the door from falling and potentially causing injury. Make sure the door is stable and secure before proceeding to the next step. Step 3. Remove the old hinges. Use your screwdriver to loosen and remove the screws holding each hinge leaf to the door and door jamb. Be careful not to strip the screws, as this can make removal more difficult. If the hinge pins are removable, tap them out from the bottom with your hammer. This will allow you to separate the hinge leaves easily. If the pins are stuck, apply a little penetrating oil to loosen them. If they are not removable, simply remove all screws holding the hinge leaves in place. Take your time to avoid damaging the door or the jamb. Step 4. Prepare the hinge area. Fill any screw holes that are stripped or too large with wood filler. This will ensure a secure fit for the new screws and prevent the hinges from loosening over time. Let the filler dry completely before proceeding. Depending on the type of filler used, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Be patient to ensure a strong bond. If necessary, use a chisel or sandpaper to create a flush surface for the new hinges. A smooth, even surface will help the hinges sit properly and function correctly. Step 5. Install the new hinges. Align the new hinges with the existing screw holes or mark the locations for new holes. Precision is key here to ensure the door hangs correctly. Use your screwdriver to install the screws, making sure the hinges are flush with the door and door jamb. Tighten the screws firmly but avoid over-tightening, which can strip the screw holes. If the hinge pins are separate, insert them from the top or bottom, depending on your hinge design. Ensure they are fully seated to prevent the door from sagging. Step 6. Test the door. Open and close the door several times to ensure it swings smoothly and latches properly. Listen for any unusual noises and check for any resistance. Adjust the hinges or use wood shims as needed to level the door and ensure proper clearance. A well-aligned door should open and close effortlessly, providing a satisfying end to your hinge replacement project. Follow these tips for a successful hinge replacement. Use high-quality hinges that match the weight and size of your door. If your door is heavy, consider using longer screws for added strength. Pre-drill screw holes in hardwood to prevent splitting. Use a level to ensure the hinges are installed straight. Lubricate the hinge pins with a dry lubricant for smooth operation. Even experienced DIYers can encounter challenges. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, tackling home improvement projects can sometimes feel overwhelming. Here are some common mistakes and how to avoid them, because knowing what to look out for can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Mistake 1. Using the wrong size or type of hinges. This can lead to improper door alignment and functionality issues. Solution: carefully measure your old hinges and purchase exact replacements. Make sure to double-check the measurements to avoid any discrepancies. If in doubt, consult with a professional at your local hardware store. They can provide valuable advice and ensure you get the right parts for your project. Mistake 2. Not supporting the door properly. This can cause the door to fall or tilt, making the installation process much more difficult. Solution: always use a sturdy wedge or enlist a helper to support the door while you work. This ensures the door remains stable and aligned. This will prevent accidents and make the job much easier. Mistake 3. Over-tightening screws. This is a common error that can lead to significant damage. Solution: tighten the screws until they are snug, but do not over-tighten them. The goal is to secure the hinge without causing any damage. This can damage the hinges, the door, or the door jamb. It's important to find the right balance to ensure everything stays intact. Mistake 4. Not testing the door after installation. Skipping this step can lead to unnoticed issues that might require redoing the work. Solution: always test the door's swing and latching mechanism after installing the new hinges. This ensures everything operates smoothly and correctly. This will allow you to make any necessary adjustments before finishing the job. Taking the time to do it right will result in a more professional and satisfying outcome. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your door hinges, a task that might have seemed daunting at first, but look at you now, a true DIY hero. Not only have you saved money, but you've also significantly improved the look and function of your home. Your door now swings smoothly and looks fantastic. This simple project is a testament to the power of DIY. It shows that with the right tools and a bit of determination, you can achieve great things. With a little effort and the right guidance, you can tackle a wide range of home improvement tasks. Remember, practice makes perfect. Each project you complete builds your skills and confidence. Don't be afraid to try new things and learn from your mistakes. Every error is a learning opportunity, bringing you one step closer to mastery. The more you do, the more confident you'll become in your abilities. Each successful project will boost your confidence and inspire you to take on new challenges. Now step back and admire your handiwork. You've earned it. Take a moment to appreciate the transformation you've achieved. Those smoothly swinging doors are a reflection of your hard work and dedication to creating a more beautiful and functional home. Keep up the great work and continue to make your home a place you love.